I'm Steve Furtick, and I'm here with Richard from Blue Dot, who's checking my system out. You're doing a maintenance check today, Rich?
Yeah, I'm doing your preventative maintenance check for the season. I'm just making sure everything's clean. I'm actually checking your blower motor right now just to make sure it doesn't prematurely fail.
Okay, first of all, when you say you're doing a maintenance check for the season, it's not just this season, it's how many times are you going to check?
You do it twice a year.
Okay, twice.
You do it for the heating season and you do it for the cooling season.
Makes sense. And when you do a maintenance check, what exactly are you doing? I see some kind of meter over there.
Yeah, right now I'm checking the amps on your motor just to make sure it's not overworking, basically. That way we can tell if it's going to prematurely fail or not.
Okay, and if that happens, I'm in big trouble, right?
Yeah, so we try to catch stuff before it gets too hot or too cold. That way we're not coming out in the middle of the night to fix your unit.
Yeah, which I know you would do anyway, but I'd rather have my system functioning as optimal level all the time. And even if it means a repair, better off doing that now than paying a bigger price for a brand new system.
Absolutely, that and the uncomfort. You don't want to be sitting in your home if it's too hot or too cold waiting for us to come out. So we try to take care of stuff as soon as we can. So like I said, we do a 21-point inspection. We make sure everything's nice and clean and operating the way it should be.
All right, what else are you going to check then? Because I'm going to check the air filter, right? I mean, as a homeowner, that's the thing I know to do, but you come out and check a whole lot more.
Yes, we also check the air filter, but we also make sure the drain line's clean, make sure the coils are clean that way. The airflow throughout your home is nice and clean. You're not breathing in all kinds of dust and dirt and bacteria. We make sure all the electrical connections are tight. That way it's nice and safe to operate, and we just make sure everything's running flawlessly so you don't have any trouble.
When we think of a maintenance check then, what you're telling me is this is more than just about your comfort, it's about your overall health too.
Absolutely.
The kids and the whole family.
Yeah, you spend a lot of time in your home, so we just want to make sure it's nice and safe and clean for you to...
Yeah, and again, even though this is a new system, I know that the old system, not getting that checked on a maintenance basis, got me in trouble and required the new system, but even with the new system, I shouldn't sit back and relax. I still need to have I can relax because you're going to do the work, but I don't want to be too confident that I don't need maintenance checks anymore because I have a new system.
Yeah, a lot of times it's overlooked, so we just try to take care of it, like I said, twice a year. That way we don't have any troubles on the hottest days or the coldest days.
And I want to protect that new investment, make sure it stays running well.
Absolutely.
Even though it's a new system. And if you've got a new system, you may think, again, you may not need the maintenance checks, but you'll want to take care of that. All you need to do is call Blue Dot at 1-800-BLUE-DOT to make sure your system is functioning optimally all the time.